Hello, beautiful people. So I'm back again with another video, and today I want to do my DIY makeup vanity haul. So I thought about actually making a vanity for myself, and no, I'm not big on makeup and I can go days without makeup, but I thought I could have something girly and something that I could go to if I wanna juice myself up a little bit. So yes, so I went out to a few stores and I got a few things for my vanity area. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but these are the things that I bought. So firstly, I bought this corner unit thingy. I don't know what it's called. It's written corner caddy, yes, corner caddy, and I got it from value.com. So it's this store that I just happened to cross by, and I just went in and I found this corner unit, and I thought it would be cute to put some of my stuff in it. So that is that. I'll try and link everything in the description but below if I can. And then I bought this mirror. I think it's 40 by 40 centimeters mirror. This one I bought at Builders. I think it was 160 something. I'll have to check the prices, but I bought this mirror. And then I went and bought this pillow. It's very nice, like I just liked it, like very much, like so I went and bought it. I bought this at Mr. Price Home, and it was 150 rand, but I think it was on special. I got it for like 90 bucks if I'm not mistaken. So I got it. So if you can see, I went with a lot of like a rose gold things. I do want to do like a rose gold white theme type of thing. I don't know how it will turn out, but we'll see. And then I went and bought this makeup storage organizer thingy. I bought this one at Clicks. I'm not sure of the price. I'll have to check it for you guys if you are interested. This is how it looks like. I haven't unwrapped it yet, but this is pretty much how it looks like. And then I also went and bought this jewelry organizer, and no, I don't own any jewelry, but I just liked how it looked like, this rose gold thingy. Hence I said I am going with a rose gold theme for my vanity area. And then I bought these two pieces. I think this one is for the kitchen or something. It's used for a kitchen, yeah, utensils holder, but I'm going to use it for my makeup brushes. So I bought it. I just liked it and I bought it. And I also bought this one. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna put it in here. Maybe my long lipsticks. I ordered lipsticks online, so when they finally get here maybe I'll put them in here or something else. I'll see. So these are the two pieces. I bought them also at Mr. Price Home. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to mention this. I bought at Clicks. These two, Mr. Price Home, and this one was 90 bucks, and this one was let me check for you guys. Let me check. It was 80 bucks. And then I've never like owned like a full set of makeup. So when I decided to do this vanity area, I ordered my makeup brushes online. I ordered it's 27 pieces. It's in the packaging. I'll show you guys later on when I do my my vanity reveal how they look like. But these are, they're all 27 in here, and then I bought them from UK. Yes, I bought them from UK. It took about 7 days to come to South Africa, so yeah, I'll link it in the description down below if you guys are interested. And then yeah, and then what I bought next was just my makeup. Like I said, I'm not big on makeup, so I didn't really buy a lot of things. I didn't go crazy. I just bought like stuff, you know, I could practice with, or you know, get into the habit of makeup with. So I bought this lasting finish from Maybelline. I don't know how it is. We'll find out how it is. And then I use my Revlon Color Stay 24. I love this makeup. I'm one person who doesn't like makeup, and if you are like me, you should try this because you don't feel like you're wearing makeup. And or sometimes I even forget. One day I almost slept with my makeup on because it was just that light. So yeah, if you like me, don't like makeup, try this. And then this is the powder for the Revlon. So that's how it looks like. Everything is still in packages because I'm not done with my vanity yet. So yeah, and then I just bought these wipes. Honestly, I don't know why, but they were just on special, so I bought these Garnier wipes, and then I just bought this for traveling in case I were to travel. So I bought that. And then I bought my waterproof mascara from Rimmel. Is it how you pronounce it? Rimmel, London. So that's how it looks like. I bought these at Discount. All of my makeup I bought at Discount, and then I bought my also my makeup primer Rimmel from Discount also. And then this I bought not for my face but for my brushes. Yes, for my brushes. Hold on, I forgot one thing. So yeah, I'm going to use this to clean my brushes. So I bought that facial cleanser for my makeup brushes to clean them, because I do have some of the old makeup brushes that I had, so I want to clean them that are still in good quality. So I bought this, and yes, it is a very tiny bag. It looked very big online, but it's very tiny. I bought this from Take A Lot. I don't remember the price. I'll have to check it for you guys if you are interested. And last but not least, I bought this chair for myself. This is how it looks like. And how it looks like. And I got this chair from Decor Fan furniture store. I think it was $500, if I'm not mistaken. It was 500, but I have to check it for you guys. So I bought those things. So yeah, so these are things that I bought for myself, that I bought for my vanity area and everything like that. So Javi's still busy doing the makeup area, so once he's done, I will show you guys. I'll do like a reveal of how it looked, how it looks like. Hopefully it turns out really good. So yeah guys, that is it from me. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and leave a comment in the comment section below of maybe suggestions of what I can do with the vanity area, or maybe some of the things that I could buy to make my vanity area very nice. And you know, I still need to buy like decorative pieces. I'll show you guys what I mean when I do the reveal. But yeah, so if you guys have some suggestions, or you want to tell me how you guys did your own DIY vanity makeup area, you know, let's chat. Leave a comment down below. And yeah, so from me to you, bye.